Hey bro, I am going to buy a new car.
Really? I will go with you, I guess.
Alright, let's go. Okay, I am booking a Grab to the Toyota dealership.
Hello, sir. How may I help you?
I am here to purchase a vehicle.
What type of model, sir?
A hatchback or a sedan, anything like that.
We have four options for you: the Toyota Corolla Altis, the Toyota Corolla Hatchback, the GR Corolla, the Toyota Wigo, the Toyota Vios Hatchback.
I think I will go with the Wigo first.
This is what the Wigo's interior looks like.
Acceptable, but I don't think I really like it.
This is the Toyota Vios.
Alright, after all the results, maybe I will choose the Corolla.
Nice choice, sir. Anyway, this car is all yours, and I have also installed the license plates. Here's the key. Enjoy your new car.